wanted to be able to make money online without spending hours or even days getting an online business going? Well, I found a way to get your new online store opened, stocked with best-selling products, website created, and everything in under 10 minutes. It's an AI tool that literally does all the work for you. The best part is there's hardly any upfront cost, minimal investment, and the time commitment is absolutely manageable. You can use this as a work from home side hustle that you scale over time or grow it really quickly to make a full-time income. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the whole process step by step. So the tool we're going to use to start this is BuildYourStore AI. Now I have the link for you to get started in this video description. When you click that link, it'll bring you over to this page. And the reason I love BuildYourStore is because you can start it completely for free. It has a quick and easy setup. It's going to get you set up with ready to sell products, and it's quick to launch. You can literally do this, like I said before, in minutes. So the first step here is to click where it says build my free store. And this is going to give us the list of steps we need to go through to get this going. So the first step is to choose our store niche. When we click on that, we can choose from niches like fashion and apparel, pets, electronics, home and garden, sports and fitness, or click I'm not sure. For this demo today, I'm going to choose home and garden and click update. And it'll automatically move me on to the next step, which is to choose banners for my store homepage. They've got 6 banner options that I can choose from. So I'm going to select 2 of these and they're going to add them automatically to my store's homepage. All of these have to do with the niche that I chose, which is home and garden. So let's say I like these 2 and I'm going to move on to the next step, which is to create my Shopify account. So this AI tool, Build Your Store, works alongside Shopify. You guys know my love for Shopify. It's an amazing platform to host your online store. So this is the step where we're going to create our Shopify account. So I'm going to click where it says Access Shopify, and this is going to bring me over to this page where I can enter my email address to open my Shopify account. Now, when you use my link in the description box below for Build Your Store and come over to Shopify, that's going to give you a special offer of your first 3 months of Shopify for only $1 per month. So that's a really great way to get started for hardly any upfront costs. So you don't have to worry about having a huge startup budget for this. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address and click Start Free Trial. It's going to ask me to input a password here, and then I can click Create Shopify Account. And then it's going to have some different questions that I can either choose to go ahead and answer through according to what I want to sell online. But if I'm wanting to get this started quick, I can just click where it says I don't want help setting up, and that's going to skip all of these questions for me and take me right over to the plan page. So I do need to select a Shopify plan here, and you can look at what each of these plans includes depending on what kind of capabilities you want in your store. But regardless of which one of these you choose, you'll get it free for 3 days, and then you'll only pay $1 for the first 3 months. I'm going to go ahead and just select basic, and then you'll need to enter your information for billing just to go ahead and pay that $1 to get started. So now that's brought me to my Shopify store. And if I look at my URL here at the top, this is my admin URL that I'm going to need for the next step. So I'm just going to select this, right click and choose copy. And then up at my tabs, I'm going to come back over to my Build Your Store tab, which is where I was setting this up before. I clicked done on the Shopify step, which led me to the next step. And this is where I'm going to link my Shopify store. So I've already copied the Shopify admin URL, and now I'm going to paste that underneath here where it says store URL. I'm going to right click and choose paste, and that's going to add my admin URL there for my Shopify store, and I'm going to click save. And now it's moved me on to the next step, which says grab your Shopify discount. So if I click here on the Access Shopify button, this takes me over to a page where I'll see on Shopify what plan I'm signed up for. This is automatically set to the basic plan. I can always change this later if I want one of those upgraded plans. But again, this is giving me a free trial today for 3 days, and then the special offer of 3 months for just $1 per month. So I'll just need to enter my information here and click subscribe. Then once that's done, I'll head back over to my Build Your Store tab where I'm completing these steps and click done, which leads me to the next step that says install Build Your Store app. I can click install app here, which again takes me back over to Shopify where I'm going to install the AI Store Builder app into my Shopify account. Then I want to come back to the Build Your Store page, and it's already brought me to the next step that says make your store unique. I'm going to click customize my store, and this is going to help me get access to AutoDS, which is the tool that's actually going to automatically add best-selling products to my listings in my Shopify store. So I am going to need to register for AutoDS. When you register using this page, you'll get the trial for just $1, and it's a 30-day trial as opposed to the normal 14 days. So you have extra time to experiment with this and see if this is a good fit for your business. So the process here is I'm going to come down and click the button where it says register to AutoDS, and I'm going to continue through the prompts, entering my name, setting my password, clicking join now, choosing Shopify, choosing the plan I want, and entering my payment method. Once I've done that, I can click done, and then I can be sure that AutoDS is now connected to my account. On the next step, I'm going to click access Shopify to publish store. So now I'm getting ready to publish my store, but there's one important thing I need to do first. And this is going to bring me over to Shopify, where I'm going to uncheck this button that says restrict access to visitors with the password. I'm going to unselect that to make sure that the tools that I've just installed have access to be able to upload the products to my shop. Once I've clicked save, I'm going to return to this tab and click done. And now it says your Shopify store is live, and I can access my store by clicking this access button. And here it has built my whole entire Shopify store, products and pictures and all, in just a matter of a few minutes. So this is my shop. I've got the banners that I chose here showing up at the top. I've even already got some copy here. It says nurture your nest, from chic decor to lush gardens, curate your dream home with our inspired selections. Every detail counts. I can click the buttons here at the top for new arrivals, a place for shoppers to track their orders. It's even uploaded some reviews from the different products that it chose for my store. And I can see extra things it's added to my shop here at the bottom, like an About Us section, and it's even got a shipping policy and a return policy here in case my shoppers are interested in reading that. So the Build Your Store AI tool and AutoDS have added all of this to my Shopify site for me, even including a fun free shipping discount that has a countdown timer here at the top. If I click on one of the products that it's uploaded for me, I can see the entire listing already has all these different pictures uploaded to it. It's got a price point. It's got options for the customer to choose, a color, and everything that my shop would need. Now I can always edit the way my shop looks and change it around in any way that I want by coming over to my Shopify dashboard. I can access everything here on the left side, starting with the products that are included in my shop. So I can see here all of the different products that AutoDS has automatically added, but I can take off any of these that I want or add any extra ones that I want, and I can edit these in any way. So I'm not glued to what AutoDS has done, but I can leave it the way it is if I like the way it's already been customized. I can come here under sales channel to where it says online store and edit the way my store looks by clicking customize. And this brings me into a dashboard where I can change out the colors, I can change out the photos or what the text says. So I still have full control over my Shopify shop, but I've just been given a major head start with these AI tools that have cut out hours of time by automatically customizing this for me. And then I can come in and just tweak it if I feel like certain areas need to be changed a little bit. So now that you've got your store totally published and live, there's one more thing you'll need to do to see success and see those sales start to roll in, and that is to promote your shop and let the world know it exists and what offers you have available. There are lots of different platforms out there that you can find your ideal customers who would be interested in these types of products that you have to offer, but the best way to find and engage those ideal customers is by first serving them with value-based content. This means you're thinking through what pain points or struggles that ideal customer might have and providing solutions through your content. Most content that you're going to provide on these platforms is going to be visual in some way, so my favorite tool to create graphics for this type of content is Canva. You can go on Canva and create these types of social media posts or Pinterest pins, whatever you need, totally for free. Canva has a built-in library of millions of assets, from icons to graphic animations and illustrations to fun fonts and colors that you can use. The sky really is the limit when it comes to creating content for social media or for a platform like Pinterest, but by serving your ideal customer and putting these types of content out there, you're going to attract the ideal person who's going to be interested in your products. And then once you start to grow your audience, you can sprinkle in some information about your offers and the products that you have for sale. You can use your shop link to point people over and start to see those sales starting to build up. Another great way you can find your ideal customers is by looking in Facebook groups that are niche specific. So if I chose the home and garden niche, I might try to look for some Facebook groups around this subject or topic, serve people in those groups by providing answers to their questions and valuable solutions, and then occasionally share my shop link with those that might be interested in products I have to offer. Making sure, of course, that I'm abiding by any rules that Facebook group might have set for promotions and sales. All of this is through free organic content marketing that finds your ideal customer, brings them in, and shares your shop link with them. So remember, if you use that link in the description box below to get started with the Build Your Store tool, you'll get that free 3-day Shopify trial followed by your first 3 months of Shopify for just $1 per month and the extended 30-day trial for just $1 for AutoDS. So I'm super excited for you to try this out. Let me know if you love these tools, and I'm cheering you on as you build your e-commerce business. Happy selling!